Hey everyone, my name is Wayne and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at two accessories for your iPhone. So the first one is a MagSafe battery pack and the second one is a MagSafe enabled case. The idea is that they both go well together. Now I purchased these from an Aussie company called SnapWireless. It's been so hot, you might be able to see all the sweat on my face. Got the fan on there already. This is also one of the first few videos which I'm recording on my new Sony ZV-E10 camera. I'm really keen to check out the quality and test it out. So let's have a look. Let's dive into it. All right. I really need one of those covers. That's only 2 items. I was secretly hoping to give me something, but you get what you pay for. This one here is the main one. It's a mini power pack, but it has the MagSafe functionality, so it will wirelessly snap on to the back of your camera. And this one's a phone case. It's again another MagSafe compatible safe case. Shiny. Powering journey. Oh, I like that. Comes with a nice rubberized kind of finish, and this is one cool feature. You just tap it up and then you should be able to hold it. And then opening this up, we have another braided cable. I'm loving that all the manufacturers recently are adding braided cables now, included at no extra price. Thank you. And we also see there's a black magnetic ring here. So this is if your phone does not have MagSafe, or for whatever reason, if you wanted a black ring, I don't know. Let's give this a try. So I have my old phone here. It's a iPhone 12 Pro, and it is one of the ones that are MagSafe compatible. So the idea is that you can just snap this on. It hooks on and it starts charging. Now you may want this particular cover, so that's the reason why I've bought this one here. Some cases will add a bit of thickness and the magnets may not be as strong. So the idea is that this one has some magnets in the ring, which should attach. And they are pretty strong. So it has the circle as a magnet ring, and as well as this line here. So it just reinforces the magnets. And like I showed you before, it has this sliding bar here, which you hold it, and you should be able to hold the phone pretty securely because of the strong magnets. So it's really handy for holding it. Now just having a look at the bottom here, we have a power button and some power indicators and the USB-C port. And that's pretty much the only what's here. So it's been about 20 minutes or so, and I think it's about 58% charged, so about 10% increase since we first started charging it. It's gotten a little bit hot, not as much as the previous time. Now the biggest question is, should you buy it? Well, as with most things in technology, it's just a matter of trading between price and functionality and finding that sweet spot. So let's just quickly have a look at the pricing. On the left we have the Apple option, and on the right we have the SnapWireless option. Zooming in for you, on the right we see that's pretty much half price. Then looking at the capacity, on the right we see it's about 5,000, and on the left it's about 1,400. For some reason, Apple did not clearly mention what the capacity was, but it should be around this range. So you'll definitely get more capacity with the SnapWireless battery pack. If you do decide to go with Apple, you get these nifty widgets which show you how much battery you have left on the gadget itself. The SnapWireless option does not have these gadgets, but that's something minor which I feel you can live without. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this content useful, please like and subscribe. I'm so excited to have started this journey and be going through it with you as well. I do have some exciting content planned for you guys, and at this stage I'm aiming to be posting every Wednesday, but we'll keep you updated on that. And once again, thanks so much for watching. See ya!